To enable and use side button to end calls on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting, tap answering and ending calls, and then tap the gray on off switch next to press side button to end calls until the switch turns screen to turn it on. When this option is on, you can easily end the ongoing call by pressing the side button. As a note, setting the side button to end calls make it quick and easy to hang up, especially when you are in a rush, wearing gloves, or simply cannot tap the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.